Welcome back everyone, Mariah here, and in today's video we are going over the price of Bitcoin after I adjust my camera here to be a little bit more straight. So it is 3:17 a.m. Eastern time, and I typically don't make videos at this time, but I'm going to today because I have an early day planned tomorrow. And I just spent the last hour or so filling up cars with gas and washing them. Yes, that's right, at 2 a.m. because, this is the thing, is that when you hire someone to do your responsibilities, they just never quite do it like you do. Therefore, we have a double booking. Therefore, I need to try to convince someone to take a different vehicle for the day. So I have to give them like 4 options of vehicles. Like you could take this one or this one or this one. And you have to give them the discounts and pray to God that they take the vehicle so that you don't have to go buy another Jeep Wrangler or cancel someone's reservation. So just to give you an idea of what it's like to have a business. It's never easy. It's never simple. Well, let's go ahead and get into the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is sitting at $41,581. We have a lot of bullish, exciting news here on the price of Bitcoin. So yesterday's candle, it did close above the 100 DMA, and then we have a very strong candle after that. The high of this candle is 42,411. The high of this candle, 42,335. So a lot of bullish action. Really exciting action, actually. One of my previous videos actually talked about Bitcoin getting over the high of this candle right here, which was 41,341. Bitcoin has done that. So we initially saw a lot of resistance here at the 100 DMA. Bitcoin has closed above that, continues to the upside. Next big obstacle here is this DMA. This DMA here is the 200 DMA and is currently sitting at approximately 44,500. So watching that key level of resistance and seeing if Bitcoin can jump over it. Honestly, with this strong bullish movement, I would say that the low is likely in. Okay, so from the low over here that happened, July 20th, so only 11 days since then, Bitcoin is up 43, almost 44%. That's actually pretty awesome. So props to anyone who has entered in this range right over here. Ethereum sitting at 2,446, also having very similar price action, except the sequence of the candles is slightly different. So you can see here, there's already a green 2 trading above the green 1. So the high of this candle right here, 2,475. The high of this candle, 2,485. So expecting also some resistance here at this 100 DMA. But if Ethereum can get over that, we are looking for some higher highs. It actually, has already technically made a higher high on the daily chart here. So I thought that Ethereum was looking quite promising after making a higher low on this particular candle here on July 20th. And so I was looking for a higher high on the daily chart, and it has done that. So Ethereum is looking extremely, extremely bullish. Across the board, most charts here are looking good. But let's take a look back at Bitcoin, and let's just go ahead and take a look at smaller time frames. 12-hour chart is looking really nice as this green 2 start trading above the green 1. Kind of similar candle action on the last 2 candles compared to the Ethereum daily chart. On the 4-hour chart here on Bitcoin, making a higher high. So some sideways trading on the 4-hour, and then a nice little breakout here. So let's take a look at the percentage on the breakout from the date on this was July 30th, and then increase of 10%. So 10% on the day. Really nice price action there. So higher high on the daily, a 1 to 4 candle pullback, and I'm thinking some more room to the upside, but some resistance here at about 44,503. So super bullish. Things are looking really nice on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart here on Bitcoin. Let's see here. So a little bit of trending downwards here on the 5-minute. You know what I want to know? Let's see. So today is technically Saturday, but yesterday was Friday. Let's take a look at the opening on the 30th. So the opening at about 9:30 a.m. All right, so here is 9:30. As you could see, Bitcoin was kind of trading sideways, and then the turning point was kind of close to actually when the stock market closed. So as soon as the markets actually closed, then Bitcoin soared up. So I'm curious to see what the traditional markets look like today. Let's go ahead and take a look at SPY. So take a look here at majors and SPY. 438 is when it closed. But I want to take a look at the daily chart. Did we get a new all-time high here on SPY? So interesting. Actually, not an all-time high on SPY. So SPY actually trended downwards today, which is interesting because we saw Bitcoin kind of suppressed, but as soon as the markets closed, then Bitcoin was off to new all-time high. So I want to take a look back here at the Coinbase. So Coinbase stock, actually interesting here. It traded very similarly when it comes to SPY. And then obviously it doesn't trade 24/7, 365. So it didn't have the opportunity to correlate with Bitcoin after hours. But I'm really enjoying the strength here on Bitcoin. Very exciting. Looks like, honestly, the more the Bitcoin goes up, the less likely we are to see that $20,000 to $22,000 range. So good sign for the bulls. Bulls definitely strong in this scenario. So that is all I have for you today as we go through and create a portfolio that you love.